game-changing things coming out of Trading 212 at the moment. They've gone and changed the whole home screen, adding new things that is a departure from the Trading 212 we currently know. So in this video, I'm going to go through some of these new features to make you guys aware of these changes, and you guys let me know if this is a game changer. So as you can see right now, I have my Trading 212 Invest account. Everything here looks pretty normal. We're used to seeing this kind of dashboard with the portfolio value at the top, £15,514-ish. The markets are open, so it will change a little bit. I mean, I can change the axes. You can see over the past year, my return being about 24%, past day, and so on and so forth. Very normal stuff. I was actually very excited for this update, and I kept refreshing my app thinking, why do I not have this update? Only to find out that, you have to press the home icon at the bottom left corner of your phone in order to get there. So when you press that, voila, as if by magic, you can see there is a change in the UI. Now we have the Trading 212 Invest account still here, but with a dark blue background. I'm not sure how cohesive it is with the normal theme here with the Trading 212 white background. I'm going to change it now to the darker background so that it becomes a better looking thing. Now, if you want to know how you can do that, all you have to do is to press the 3 horizontal line menu over here, scroll all the way down until you can see the settings menu, and then over here just press theme and then go into black. Actually, I'm going to go into navy, and just like that, we have changed the theme. Now if we go to the home screen, everything looks a bit more cohesive in my opinion. But anyway, these are the new updates. As you can see, it's very, very different from what we're used to. So at the top in a bigger font, I believe, we have the full portfolio value. This is the complete sum of all the investments you have, any realized profit or loss included. There is a graph here that you can see your total investment amount. Now, when I press on it, you can see your unrealized result. You can see your cost basis. It's very nice to see that. You can see what you're invested into. For me, I'm only invested into one fund and the rest is in cash. Speaking of cash, now in the home menu, you have the main pot and the spending pot. The spending pot only really applies if you have the Trading 212 card, which you can get for free if you want to use the virtual one, but for the physical card like I have, you do pay a small fee. Also, if you're new to Trading 212 and would like to receive a free fractional share worth up to £100, all you have to do is to follow the link in the description box down below. Alternatively, if you've already signed up to Trading 212 in the past 10 days and haven't received a free fractional share, all you have to do then is to press the 3 horizontal line menu over here. Now scroll all the way down until you see the section use promo code, and in this menu just enter my code JUBAIR and you should receive a free fractional share. Now going back to this screen, there is a little widget here which gives you updates on Trading 212. It's a bit sneaky in that Trading 212 will now use this as a bit of a marketing thing, so fair play to them. They have been expanding like crazy. I love the platform and the things it offers, and if it's going to offer new products that can benefit people, then why not showcase it here? There's also a pull up menu at the bottom that we can actually pull up, and here we can see the top movers. Remember, when you're investing, it's not advisable just to go into top movers, see something going up by 232% and assume it's going to keep going up. Please do your own research before investing in stocks and stuff like that. Of course, we know that by now. You also have a watch list here. This is all default. I don't actually have watch lists because I do not actually watch any stocks, so it's nice to have here anyway. You also do have top winners here, top losers, most traded, US greats, and a bunch of stuff here that was already available when you went to the magnifying glass menu. You can also add your own section here, so you can create your own watch list, or if you press this pencil button over here, you can reorder the list. For example, move my watch list at the top, move top winners at the top, or whatever you want to do, and save changes there. You can even toggle show graph or not to show graph next to the company names, which is actually pretty cool. Now, for those with short-term memory, this is how the home screen used to look like. It was literally just this. As you can see, I just showed that in the beginning. This still exists in the update, which is nice to know. But if you do want those widgets, all you have to do is to press the home icon here. Now, this update also applies to the Trading 212 stocks and shares ISA. Let's go and see the differences there. So as you can see in the Trading 212 stocks and shares ISA, by default, you are put into this portfolio screen, which we are all accustomed to by now. If we hit the home button, now it does show you very similar things we saw with the Trading 212 Invest account. It shows you your investments, it shows you your cash available, but it also does show you the amount of ISA allowance you have left. So if you click on that, for example, you can see I have my full ISA allowance left according to Trading 212, even though I've used it up with other brokers. Of course, Trading 212 is not going to to know that information. You have two different types of allowances because of course the different ISAs are shared. For example, the cash ISA and the stocks ISA, they share the same £20,000 allowance. So down here, it's very easy to see what you have in your cash ISA and your stocks ISA too. Now, one thing that I did notice about this update is that the cash here is not fully representative of all the cash you actually have. For example, if I press cash here, you can see that it says I have £115,000 in cash, and that's not exactly true. And this is because I have a pending order. Now, if I go to the portfolio screen here, over here, you can see that I have a pending order of £3,003. I did this so that I could reserve £3,000 and have it available whenever I needed. If I wanted to invest everything that I have now, apart from the £3,000, then I could do that. So these pending orders do not count towards the cash available. For example, if I go into the VUSA and press buy and then actually put a pending order, let's say of, £105,000, and then put the price really low so it doesn't execute. So back to the portfolio screen, you can see I have a massive pending order here with the Vanguard S&P 500. Now, if I go to the home screen now, under cash, it says that I only have £16,471 because this cash here is the cash that you can actually spend on investments. Any pending orders will be taken away from this cash. However, with Trading 212, if you want to find out the full amount of cash you have, all you have to do is to press the 3 horizontal line menu over here and then go into the second option from the top. Now over here, you can see the full amount of cash that you do have. So it's really easy to see here. I wish there was a way when you open the cash menu at the front of the screen to see the full amount of cash you have, including reserved orders. So make sure to check out some of my other videos and I'll see you in the next video.